Disassemble and replacing the webbing. Take clear pictures of your chair. Take the seat out. You will need an hickory mallet, staple remover and side cut pliers. Oh dear, we are going to replace the floor parts with some proper upholstery materials. New webbing. First we have to remove the old fabric with a staple remover, hickory mallet and pliers. Always work from the inside of the frame. This way you will not damage the wood that will be inside. Remove all the old stuffing, including the old webbing. We are going to replace it. Wear your protection all the time. Clean the frame with some sandpaper. Check if there is some space between the seat and the frame. The new layers of filling and fabric should fit in. If not using springs, the webbing is always at the top side of the frame. Whoops! Before I forget, make a bevel edge to the seat at all sides. Measure your webbing. Mine is 7 cm, 2.75 inches. Mark the middle of your frame, front and back. Put the middle of the webbing against the middle of your frame and use it to mark where the webbing strings will come. The front is wider than the back, so start at the back. Divide the webbing strings. Fasten with 2 rows of staples. Fasten your frame with some clamps. Put your webbing stretcher against the side of the frame. Put the webbing over the tips of the stretcher and push it down. Fasten with a row of staples which are 8 up to 10 mil long. Once fastened, take the stretcher away and cut off the webbing. Fold the webbing back and fasten with 2 rows of staples. First, all strings from the back to the front. Divide the spaces. Make sure the webbing does not touch the wood on the sides. Every time you will sit down, it will rub and get damaged quickly. Now time for the strings from side to side. Again, middle markings. First one goes under, then above and under. Again, middle markings. First one goes under, then above and under, like weaving. The second string goes above, then under and above. Same at the other side. Divide the spaces in between. So, that's the webbing done.